the pairs. So in crypto and Forex, unlike the stock market, you're always trading one currency pair against another. For example, I'm sure you've seen maybe a chart before, and you see the fact that it shows XRP slash BTC. Now, what's XRP? XRP is the ticker for Ripple, and BTC is the ticker for Bitcoin. So what is XRP forward slash BTC? All that means really is that you're trading Ripple against Bitcoin. So if you were to buy Ripple, right, you're speculating that the Ripple will rise in price against the Bitcoin. And if you short the XRP against Bitcoin, that means you're speculating that Bitcoin will gain strength against Ripple. All right? So go back, listen to that a few times over just so you really get an understanding, take notes. It's pretty simple once you really get it, but it may seem confusing at first. Whereas a stock, it's just, hey, I'm looking at Apple's stock. If I buy it, that means the dollar's going to go up. If I short it, that means that the stock is going to go down. It's very, very similar, just a little bit of a twist there.